flip the page, Daddy?
Let me see. Sure looks like it. Oh, not quite though. We got to do this page first.
What is it? Yep. Right here.
Uh-huh. Okay, push them down really hard. Okay. Can I see? There you go. Good work.
Now what do we need? Now do we need this?
We get all the pieces?
Right here.
Yep.
I mean right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what it looks like. Good work. And one more. Say, thanks, Aunt Debbie.
Thanks, Aunt Debbie.